Haley Cooprider, the Elementary Literacy Coordinator for Wight County Schools, back with another Coop's Quick Clips. Every 7 years, the VDOE revises the English standards. The Virginia Board of Education approved our 2024 English Standards of Learning to go into effect this school year. These are the standards that guide teachers' instruction and are assessed on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade SOL test. They are rigorous. The VDOE has put together some fabulous resources to help us all understand the new standards. More information can be found in the description box below. Because of our new standards, the report cards will look a little bit different. You are going to see several more indicators since we went from the 4 reporting categories of communication, reading, writing, and research to now 10. So on the report card, you're going to see communication, foundations for reading, which is phonemic awareness and phonics and fluency, reading and vocabulary, foundations for writing, which is spelling and handwriting, writing and grammar, and research. If you have any questions about the new standards or the report card, please reach out. I would be happy to discuss them with you. Thanks for watching and keep on reading.